Alice Morgans. I am first and foremost a mum of an 8-year-old and 2-year-old twins. And the twins were 13 months old. I started having some quite severe headaches. At the time, I was coming close to going back to work, so the thought process was that I was worried about going back to work, stress of having 13-month-old twins, which was understandable. But then I was sent for an MRI scan on a Thursday, and on the Monday I had my GP on the front door telling me that I needed to go back for some more tests, and that they had found basically a tumour. Within the space of a few weeks, I ended up in hospital in the Heath and had a tumour removed. That there is that thirst for information, and when there's a void there, that's when I think you're in trouble, because you can't help resist. Well, I certainly couldn't help resist going and looking, and I think the more resources that are there to really inform people, not necessarily about their diagnosis, but about, what's there to support them. You understand that, yes, there are lots of people who are unwell, but you kind of don't know who to turn to. I have to say that Charlotte, my key worker in the Heath, has been absolutely fantastic. She communicates with me in a way that is comfortable for me. She texts me. She's been a lifeline to me. For me, I was really pleased to be part of the team to shape this, because I think it's really important to have the opportunity to be able to ask the questions and to understand what it is that is available to you. This document isn't just for people who are suffering with cancer, it's for the family. Actually, I think, in all honesty, he had the hardest time, because when you're going through it, you're on the treadmill, aren't you? And you just got to go with it. Whereas he was concerned about me. He had 2 babies at home and an 8-year-old who was wondering, where's mum gone? I think it just gives people almost the confidence to ask the questions that they need to ask. I think this is really a valuable tool